am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're going to see how to make a stone paper scissor app in Python. I'm in Thonny, which means Python's IDE, and I've saved this file as stone paper scissor app in Python. So now let's begin with the code. The first thing I'm gonna say is I'm gonna import random. So for that I'm saying from random import randint. Now let's come down. Over here I'm initializing a list. So I'm naming the list as choice. And I'm setting it equal to, putting a square bracket as its list. Let's close this bracket over here itself. And now in double quotes, let's write out. So first thing is gonna be rock. Now let's close and again put a comma, and then second thing is gonna be a paper. And third thing is gonna be a scissor. And again I'm initializing a variable. I'm naming this variable as computer. And in this computer I'm putting a choice, and the choice of randint and 0 to 2, which means from 0, 1 and 2, which means rock, paper and scissor. So let's put that in a square bracket, randint, and then in this parentheses let's put 0 to 2, and let's close this up. And next let's come down and print a message. So I'm saying print, and inside this parentheses let's put welcome to rock, paper, scissor game. Let's make the spelling correct and close this up. And now let's come down and then initialize a variable. Let's name that variable as and I'm naming the variable as player, and which is equal to input of some message. So let's say your choice is, and then let's close this up, and let's come out over here out of this parentheses and then say dot lower and then put parentheses. And next let's print a message. Let's print out that computer choice is, and let's add a new thing which is compute. And now let's come out over here and let's come down, and I'm saying if player is equals to computer, then. So if player is equals to computer, let's print out that it's a draw. And next let's come down again and let's delete this iteration and then say elif, which means else if player is equals to rock, then. Okay, so over here we are adding a new thing which is and. So this will join two things, which is else if player is equals to rock and if computer is equals to scissor. So let's write down computer is equals to scissor. Then let's print great, you won the match. Next let's come down over here. Let's come down over here and delete a bit of iteration and write else if, and then let's say else if player is equals to scissor and computer is equals to rock. Then let's print out. Let's print you lost the game. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Let's come down and delete the iteration, and let's say else if player is equals to paper and computer is equals to scissor. Then let's print out again. Let's print out that you lost the game. Ha ha ha. And next let's come down over here and delete the iteration again, and then let's say else if, and let's say that player is equals to scissor and paper let's say else if player is equals to scissor and computer is equals to paper. Then let's print out that he lost. Let's come down and print out that he won the game. You won the game. And next let's come down again and delete the iteration, and let's say elif means else if again. Let's say if let's check down if the conditions are over. Scissor and rock is completed, paper and scissor is completed, scissor and paper is completed. So now scissor and rock is left out. So let's say else if player is equals to scissor and computer is equals to rock. Then let's print out. So I'm writing print, and inside these parentheses let's write you lost the game. Ha ha ha. So let's delete the iteration again and then say else if, and player is equals to let's write down as rock, and let's say computer is equals to scissor. Then let's print out that he won. So let's say you won the game. And then let's come down again and delete the iteration and say else if player is equals to paper and computer is equals to rock. Then let's print out you won the game. And then let's come down and then say else if again. Let's say else if player is equals to rock and computer is equals to paper. Now let's check if all the condition is completed. Let's check how many conditions first. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 conditions are completed. Okay, so there's another condition. So let's just say this, complete this first. Let's print out that you lost the game. Ha ha ha. And let's come down over here. There's another condition which is else. If there's not anything, let's print out that it's invalid. Invalid choice. So now let's live test it. And they're saying your choice. So let's put rock. Computer choice is scissor. Great, you won the match. So now we know how to make a stone, paper, scissors in Python. That's great.